After being initially launched exclusively in China, the global debut of the OnePlus 12 is now confirmed for January 23rd. The launch event page has also revealed that the mid-range OnePlus 12R will be introduced alongside its flagship counterpart. The global launch event is scheduled to take place at 2 p.m. IST. OnePlus typically provides various online broadcasting options, such as live streams on YouTube and X.com, formerly Twitter. The OnePlus 12 boasts an impressive set of specifications, featuring the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, up to 24 GB of RAM, and a storage capacity of 1 TB. The device is equipped with a remarkable triple-camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Additionally, the OnePlus 12 sports a flagship-grade 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a peak brightness of up to 4,500 nits for HDR content. Furthermore, OnePlus has released a dedicated video showcasing the design process behind its latest flagship smartphone. The design inspiration for the OnePlus 12 is drawn from high-end watchmaking, resulting in an intricate design process. The device features a machined aluminum alloy casing and camera island, complemented by a Corning Gorilla Glass back. A special laser engraving process has been employed on the outer rim of the camera island, with each camera island meticulously polished, using precision machinery to achieve a shiny finish. The OnePlus 12 appears poised to be the top choice for many users, especially when compared to the Samsung S24 Ultra, which failed to impress a significant number of people. Aside from the Galaxy AI, the S24 Ultra brings little innovation, with only a few design tweaks. It's anticipated that the OnePlus 12 may even outperform the S24 Ultra in terms of camera capabilities. What are your thoughts? Would you prefer the S24 Ultra or the upcoming OnePlus 12? Share your opinions in the comments section below. Also, don't forget subscribe to our channel to see the upcoming leaks in the world of flagship smartphones. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.